Hello viewers, welcome to Austin Global Cosmetic and Skincare. And if today is your first time coming here, we say a very big welcome to you. Please do not forget to subscribe, like, and also click on the notification button to enable you see new of our video. All right. I tell you again that our training is next week. Our training is next week and it's just only two courses, and their amount is 15,000 naira. Few persons needed. All right, just only few persons needed. Do not forget to be part of this training. All right. So now, yesterday we did talk about fair and white Miss White lotion. All right. Yes. And well, we did said that product, it has two type. Okay. Yes. But today we'll be looking at carrot glow. And carrot glow is up to three type. Yes, it has the glow white, and it has a glow white and another one again. Then this one is carrot glow. So this carrot glow is a customized product in all ways, in terms of the price and in terms of the way it works. It's not for all skin type. All right. A friend of mine did ask for an advice that what product do you want me to use, and I recommended that product for the person. The reason is because that product is very rich, and that is why also the price is so high. The least you can get that product in any store right now, let's say 35,000. That is the old price. I don't know the current price. That some people sell 50, some sell 45, and some sell 42,000, but maybe they're about. But any product you're selling for 32,000, 35,000 is not a small product. All right. So I said it's a customized product, not for everybody. Now that product is particularly made with a lot of ingredients, that if we start listing them now, like they are just not gonna finish. All right, but we're not going to do that when we know that we have almond oil, we have some extract product in it, we have a lot. You're getting it. So let's go to how you can use it and why is it that effective for people, why they use it. You can use it. You might not even see any result, why someone else can use it and it will see result. All right. So this product is a sensitive product and it works with sensitive skin. That is why I said it's not all skin type. All right. And it's a product that it clears knuckles. And it clears every kind of pigment you have. It clears them all. Okay. Even dark scars, like if you have scars, yes, it clears them. It's a nice product. All right, it's a product that when you use it for your skin, in several days you'll notice that you're getting lighter. Somebody will tell you that this product is working on you, or what product are you using? All right, yes, this product is a product that I can guarantee you that if you'll be battling with stretch mark, you can use this product. It will clear your stretch mark. It's a very nice product. That's why I said it's a sensitive product. So persons might use it might not work for you. All right. Yes, it might not really work for you, but why some other it will just be working excellent. So if you're having stretch mark and you want to see how you can deal with your stretch mark, you can use that product. That product will clear your stretch mark also, and it also prevents stretch mark. Like I told you, it's not for everybody. The product is very expensive. Not be smart that they do this product. All right. Yes, they use a lot of organic and some polite chemicals to work this product, which is very also safe for the skin. All right. It clears dark spot easily, very easy. It clears there are some kind of dark spot where you see them there, you wonder like what kind of irritation like that is stubborn that doesn't go. All right. Yes, this carrot glow will clear it off. It's gradually those spots, you notice that they fade off. they will fade off. And when you stop the cream, yeah, this is what it does. When you stop the cream, then you must have built your skin, the cream must have built your skin in a way that when you stop it, if you don't have money, you don't have money to continue this product anymore. You would think that, oh, when you leave the cream, it will just, you will go darker. No, the cream has, that's why I say it's a sensitive. It has built your skin in a way that even when you leave it, you're still retaining that color. All right, unless if you're that type that who works tedious work, heavy duty works under the sun, you're that stressed. So this product not just like for a jabber them, like it will give you this unique, come on, the product works, so you can try the product. All right, you can use it to promise. You can use it to promise for your customer. If your customer said, I need a high valued product, that I want you to use a high valued product, like when you call some products for them, they say like Snapchat, they say no, I don't like Snapchat. Just don't waste your time. You want to look for a high valued product like this, just go for that carrot glow. We have there about 2 of them. All right, and funny enough, you don't see them easily anymore. Before you see this, I pray it should be original. Please let it be original. Go for the original one so that you can see result and you can always want to continue using it. It's a nice product. So I would want to leave you with this, that our training start next week. Do not forget to buy from us. Whatever you want to buy original cosmetic ingredient or skincare ingredient, want to buy original one, you can always contact us. We have them. We have a lot of brand in here, all right, so stay tuned. Bye bye.